This video was produced to introduce basic information about the operation of standard equipment, machinery, and tools found in a metal shop. A video cannot replace in-person instruction. Watching a video does not replace experience, and this video does not introduce every possible situation or circumstance involved in using equipment successfully and safely. I do not assume liability for damage or injury resulting from the information this video provides. Continuing to watch this video affirms your agreement to waive any claim of liability you may have against me by implementing any procedure or recommendation contained here. Shops are inherently dangerous places full of equipment that can cause injury if not used correctly. You must use care and pay attention when using equipment for your own safety and for the safety of those around you. Dress appropriately to work with equipment, wear shoes that protect your feet and clothes that cover your skin, remove all loose clothing and jewelry, wear eye protection at all times. If you do not feel confident using a piece of equipment, don't. Ask for help or guidance from someone with more experience.
The bench vise holds your work securely, freeing up your hands and giving you more control over your movement as you work on a part.